Take the scenic route, you said, huh?
Simon, look at all these cows. What are they saying? What are they saying? They're cows, yeah. Guess we took the back roads. Here we have Idaho.
Yeah, say cheese.
I'm following you. Say, come on, everybody.
Say,
Mon.
Mon.
Okay.
Okay, that's Mon. You leading the expedition? Come on, let's keep going. Come on, everybody.
Yes, we are walking on a paved road. Our little easy jaunt, 4 miles around the lake, took a couple turns in the wrong direction. Not that we got lost, but we are almost to our destination where this whole adventure began. Thank heavens for a water pump that we found at a campground 15 minutes back, because we were down to like 1 swallow of water. So we're really excited to be turning off very soon, aren't we, Dan? Our fearless leader.